OpenDAO is the bridge between real-world assets and on-chain assets. On current DeFi money markets, such as Compound, you can borrow on-chain assets, such as USDT, against other on-chain collateral, such as ETH. When someone doesn't repay their loan, it's a straightforward process for a liquidator to take possession of the on-chain assets and repay the debt. With OpenDAO, instead of just using on-chain assets as collateral, you can now use real-world assets, such as shares and real estate. The challenges with utilizing off-chain assets are figuring out how liquidators can take possession of these off-chain assets and where they can sell them to repay the debts. We have developed a seamless solution to these challenges with the CashBox. The CashBox is a pool of stablecoins, aka cash, that acts as a perpetual counterparty to real-world asset tokens. Therefore, if a liquidator takes possession of some off-chain asset tokens, which were being used as collateral, they can always sell those tokens to the CashBox for stablecoins in return. In this way, the rest of the system can work exactly like the on-chain one mentioned earlier. CashBoxes are funded by LPs, or liquidity providers, who are effectively the buyers of last resort for the asset tokens on the system. As an LP to a CashBox, you own the underlying asset's tokens in the box, and depending on the type of asset, there are different mechanisms for selling these assets in the real world. For example, listed shares can be sold through a sell order triggered via an API. The cash is converted into stable coins and distributed in a seamless manner. For real estate, we will employ an SPV, or fund structure, which effectively owns the real estate and then can have its shares tokenized. CashBox LPs can convert their asset tokens back into shares and sell them back to the SPV. So why would someone want to be an LP to a CashBox? Firstly, they are happy with holding the underlying asset, such as real estate, which they'll be getting at a discount. LPs earn fees, and when they stake their CashBox tokens, they will also earn open tokens as an incentive for providing this service. CashBoxes provide the on-chain liquidity against real-world assets and are the most critical part of the ecosystem, which is why the CashBox LPs will receive the bulk of the open tokens reserved for community incentives.